I admired always these filmmakers, video editors, marketers, which made $10,000 per month, could work from wherever they want, and they could travel with their clients. Today is this reality in my life. I live in Dubai. I travel with my clients towards a vast amount of countries in the world, and still I choose the kind of boring way, not being a filmmaker anymore and making even more money and living a more free life, and choosing to live in Dubai and having clients online, but kind of still doing filmmaking. Let me explain in this video and how I got these clients, how I scaled this boring business model towards $10,000, $12,000 per month, and how you can do it too, even when I teach that somebody else, such Nico, for example. He just closed in 60 days working with me a $20,000 client. So my name is Noah, I'm from Germany. I started video editing, filmmaking in school, making more money than my teacher, dropping out of school, moving to Dubai, and now I live kind of a free life. I choose my clients. I have a done for you agency where we do filmmaking, where we do video editing, where we scale YouTube channels, and this is what I'm doing most of my time, and obviously making my money from my own agency. So how to get actually these clients? On this planet, to keep it very, very simple, there are only certain amount of ways how you can contact a person, either a stranger or a person who knows you. And there are limits. So there are only a certain amount of methods how you can reach out to these people. And all of those methods are working, such as cold calling, cold DMing, cold emailing. The difference here is what do you offer and who do you offer to, and how often you do this one outreach method. So let me give you the strategy or the cold outreach methods I use to close high ticket sales. And what did I offer to keep them even on the 6-month period. So over Instagram DMs, I closed thousands of dollars offering video editing services, but also filmmaking services. I made high peaks. So for one client, I made 8,000 euros. Another client, I made also like 6,000 euros off. I could even fly towards Munich and be a filmmaker for him in making his videos. This was a nice stage, but this wasn't recurring revenue. And that's why I also told you in the beginning to change towards a kind of boring business model is the right way. And this is how I can live a free life in Dubai, make $10,000 per month with a handful of clients, me without chasing new clients, going always towards these clients and making films for them and whatsoever. If you want to still do this, then you can use the methods I just told you and use the right copy as a filmmaker, as a video editor, and reach out to those businesses. But if you want to, I would say, live a bit more easier, then use the method I'm using today. I have a full breakdown of this whole model in the first link in the description. You can straight away book also a call with me there, so I can take you on and show you how this works, exactly how I showed at Nico, and in 60 days he closed a $20,000 deal. So either we see each other in the call, you can also drop me an Instagram DM, or we will see each other in another video. Bye bye.